Hello everyone, welcome to SS Academy. This video is especially preferred for mechanical engineering students who are going to write GATE 2022. So for getting success in any competitive examination, the three major parameters plays an important role. They are proper planning, proper preparation and proper performance in the examination. And in this video I am going to discuss clearly about how to plan and how to prepare for cracking GATE 2022 as well as scoring good marks. So first thing we will just discuss about the basic details of GATE 2022, and the second one is planning. So that is selection of subjects. So in this we have categorized the different subjects under three categories, that is like high priority subjects, medium priority and low priority based on the marks they have asked previously. So based on that we have categorized under three categories. Then after selecting the subjects, how to prepare the selected subjects. So for that schedule is included and some self-study plan for both part-time as well as full-time preparation has been included. Finally, the bonus tips to support your preparation also included at the end of this video. This is the general information of GATE 2022. The online registration starts on 30th August and the closing date is 24th September, and we can apply up to 1st October with late fees, and the announcement of result is on 17th March. And these are all the dates of examination and the fee structure. And also the distribution of mark is GA 15 marks and engineering mathematics 13 marks, and the subject question is 72 marks, so total 100 marks. So marking scheme is 1 mark and 2 mark question is there, and the MCQ, MSQ and our NAT question, that is numerical answer type. And also the combination of two paper allowed to appear in GATE 2022. So ME can write AE, CH, NM, PI and XE. This is the important part of GATE preparation. So here we have considered the subjects and its weightages, considering past 8-year question papers and past 4 years also separately, because it is conducted by IIT Kharagpur, and the 2022 is going to be conducted by IIT Kharagpur, right? So that's why we have considered this marks, and based on this weightages we have categorized the subjects under three categories, that is high priority, medium, then low priority. Okay, so this indicates this gives a clear idea, right? So these 5 subjects, so that is general aptitude, engineering mathematics, thermodynamics and its applications, and materials and manufacturing, theory of machines and vibration are more scoring subjects, right? So that is high priority subjects. We are getting more marks, more weightages in the question paper. So that is approximately around 10 to 15 marks we are getting. Okay, so then if you consider medium priority subjects, so that is industrial engineering, it is also we have to give some high priority to the subjects. Then mechanics of material and fluid mechanics and machinery and machine design. Okay, so these 4 subjects comes under medium priority. Then heat transfer and engineering mechanics, which is lesser than 5 marks, so we have considered it as low priority subjects. Okay, so now we have clearly got some idea, that is we have categorized the subject into three categories, that is high priority, medium priority and low priority. So high priority we are getting 50 to 60 marks. If you prepare only 5 subjects, you can able to score 50 to 60 marks. Okay, medium priority subjects we have the weightage of 25 to 30 marks. Under that we have 4 subjects. And if you go for low priority, 5 to 10 marks we are getting. So under that we have only 2 subjects. Okay, so for cracking GATE, that is I am talking about for cracking GATE, we can select the subjects which yield total 50 marks. Okay, so you can do your own combination, because some of them strong in thermal, some students strong in design or strength of material. So like the different areas we have. So based on that, for cracking GATE you have to select the subjects which yield total 50 marks. Okay, for example, you can consider only high priority subjects. So that is, we have only 5 subjects, so that will have the weightage of 50 to 60 marks, right? Or you can select some different combination. Okay, so GA, max, then medium, then low. Okay, so like that combination. Or you can select GA, max, two high priority subject and low priority subjects. Our ultimate aim is to crack the gate. So for that you have to consider some reference of 50 marks. Okay, so you can easily crack the gate. This is the next stage of selection of subjects. Okay, after selecting subjects, we will get some doubt how to prepare it. Okay, so this is very important stage. So first, I have considered here 5 months. Okay, so that is from September to January month and remaining days in February also, right? So first one is syllabus analysis. So we did, based on that we have selected the subjects. Okay, so now it is a time to develop our concepts, right? So for developing the concepts, most of the students prefer some standard textbooks. Okay, as per my suggestion, don't go for any standard textbooks. You can directly refer some handwritten notes which is available in the internet, and also handbooks. Okay, so this will simplify your work, and they have provided some good points. Okay, so you can directly grasp all the points and you can prepare your own notes. Okay, then after preparation of notes, you do just revise one time, right? So this is a task you need to carry out in September month. First one is, we have selected the subjects, then we need to develop the basic concept for the selected subjects, then prepare your own notes and do one revision, that is a first revision. Then next month, that is October, what we have to do, we have to take the previous year questions. Okay, so we have around 30 to 35 year question papers, so you can start solving the previous year question. Okay, so after solving the previous year questions of the selected subjects, you will get many doubts. Okay, because we have just got some basic concepts of the selected subjects. So you need to improve, you need to increase, or you need to strengthen your fundamentals only by solving the previous year question paper. Okay, so whatever the doubts you are getting, you just refer some standard textbooks or some other materials and try to strengthen your fundamentals. Okay, so then go with the PYQs and practice well. Okay, after that you will get some clear idea. Okay, so these are all the formulas are important, these are all the concepts are important. Okay, so then prepare the same notes based on the PYQs whatever you solved. You just consider it as a separate note preparation. Okay, so first you prepared for the basic concept, that is note 1. Then second note preparation is from previous year question papers. Okay, so do the revision 2, both basic concepts and whatever the notes you prepared, right? Then next month, what you have to do is that is November month, the same stage what you carry out in October month. Okay, you just go with the PYQs and solve it and strengthen your fundamental, then again go to your PYQs, then prepare the notes, then do the revision 3. Because if you have selected 5 subjects, we cannot able to solve within a month. Okay, so it needs more than 2 months. Okay, it takes more than 2 months, so you can consider October and November for PYQs. Okay, so try to strengthen your fundamentals and prepare the notes, that is very important one. Okay, because we cannot able to do the revision of previous year question paper within 1 or 2 days, so better to prepare the notes, then do the revision 3. Okay, so you have now notes 1, that is a basic concepts, then notes 2, that is the previous year question paper what we solved in October month, and notes 3, whatever the solved previous year question paper from in the month of November. Okay, so all the notes you can do the revision, that is revision 3. After solving and preparing the notes of PYQs, it is time to test our work, right? So for that we have to give subject wise test series, okay, as well as mock test. So in December month you just give subject wise test series whatever you have selected. After giving the test series, here also you will struggle with some problems, okay. So for that try to strengthen your fundamentals, then again give the same subject wise test series, then prepare notes, okay. So then do the revision 4 with all the prepared notes, right. Then next stage is January month, okay. So this is a time to give mock test, right. So you have considered only some particular subjects, sir. I consider only particular subjects. How can I give mock test? They will ask all the overall subjects only, right? You can test for 50 marks you have prepared. How much you can able to score? Okay. So like that you can test, and out of 50, how much mark you are scoring. So that is also one of the important step you need to carry out for cracking the GATE examination. So mock test you just write, then you will get many doubts in the problems and try to develop the fundamentals and give the mock test once again and prepare the notes based on the questions, whatever new questions we have got in mock test, right. So prepare your notes and do the revision 5, okay. So this is a overall idea to prepare from September month to January month. Then last stage is February month, okay. So we have remaining days, right, for the examination. So there you just give the revision, okay. So you have to allot, it is only for revision, whatever the notes you have prepared from September month to December month as well as January month, you just revise all the materials you have, okay. So that is the thing you need to do in February month. Don't study any new topics or don't give any mock test or test series in this days, okay. This is the next doubt, exactly is self study plan. So if you are preparing self, so how much time I have to spend for my preparation or how I have to plan, okay. So that is given here. So I have considered two categories, that is full time preparation, part time preparation for working professionals. So for full time preparation you can consider 2 hour slot, okay. So each 2 hour slot you can consider, here I am considering the reference as 8 a.m. to 10:30 p.m. So from slot 1 to slot 6, okay. So 30 minutes break for each slot I have considered. And for difficult subjects, okay, this is very important one, you can consider slot 1, slot 2 and slot 5 for preparing the difficult subjects, okay. And motivate yourself in break, for in 30 minutes break, try to motivate yourself, then only you can able to prepare or you can work effectively in the next slot, right. So similarly for part time you can consider 1 hour 30 minutes slot. It is the best slot for working professionals, and it is considered from 6 to 11:30 p.m. evening. Then morning one slot 5:30 to 7 a.m. as a slot, and in Sundays and holidays you can follow full time slot whatever given here, right. So similar 30 minutes break you can take, and for difficult subjects you can select the slot 1 and slot 4 and motivate yourself in break, okay. So 30 minutes break if you utilize effectively for your motivation, the next slot will be very very effective, okay. The last thing I need to discuss is the bonus chips, okay. So we know the plan, we are preparing, but we need to measure our performance, okay. So daily performance, that is very very important thing. So for that we have app like Forest, okay. So here you can measure your daily performance, okay. So and there is some comparison plot also. So based on that you can check whether we are on track or not, okay. And also try to use them wisely, right. So for getting success in the competitive examination, so we have to follow these three things, that is proper plan and proper preparation and proper performance. So for GATE examination, I have given the proper plan and the proper preparation tips, right? So try to follow it. All the best. If you want to contact us, so you can contact through our Telegram channel SS Academy 4046, TRB Mechanical SS Academy, and you can contact through as mail also. So SS Academy 4046 at gmail.com. Okay, all the best. Thank you.